Learn the secrets to becoming a successful affiliate marketer in India and make passive income from home. In this video, we will talk about how to do affiliate marketing in India. Hey, I'm Seema Gupta, Professor of Digital Marketing at IIM Bangalore. And in this video, we will discuss about how do we capitalize on the wave of digital marketing and make easy passive income sitting at home. Do you want to be a part of $6.8 billion industry? If yes, then look no further than online affiliate marketing. You can simply make cash by referring people to Amazon, Flipkart and other sites. So, what is affiliate marketing? First, you have to understand what affiliate marketing is. It is actually very simple. It is a process where you refer others to buy a company's product and the company pays you some commission based on every sale made on your referral. For example, if you're promoting a laptop brand online, like say Lenovo, you drop a link to the product in your social media, which your followers will click. If they buy the laptop after clicking on your link, you get a commission from Lenovo. It's as simple as that. So now the question is, how does it work? In affiliate marketing, you are basically a marketeer for a brand or a company. Think of yourself as an online version of an independent salesperson. You are not a direct employee of the company, but you still help them sell their products. Basically, merchants own products and you, the affiliate marketer, will promote the product. There are affiliate networks that will connect you and the merchant, and there are many such affiliate networks in India to help you out in your affiliate marketing efforts. Once the person has clicked on your link, that is your ad, and has purchased the product, the affiliate, the merchant, the affiliate network all make money. This is a rich and extremely profitable ecosystem. Affiliates earn generally 10 to 15% commission, but this number can even go up. Now let us see in detail at the 4 players in the ecosystem in India. Firstly, the merchant. Merchant is the product owner. They can be an independent seller or a big brand like Apple or Xiaomi or Lenovo. E-commerce platforms like Amazon or Flipkart can also be merchants. If you sell your own products, then you are a merchant too. In the affiliate ecosystem, the merchant will pay you for driving customers to their website. Amazon, Flipkart, Boat Headphones are all merchants. Sportskeeda publishes content on sports sites. As an affiliate, you earn money by driving traffic to Sportskeeda articles by sharing link to those articles on your social media accounts. Another player is the publisher. Publisher is also called as affiliate. They are individuals who earn commissions from referring sales through their affiliate link. You will be the publisher. When you promote and sell products, you can make up to 80% of the product's MRP depending on the product and the merchant. Moreover, affiliates don't need to invest large amounts in website or other resources. Most affiliates earn money from home or as a secondary source of income. The mode of advertising is up to the discretion of the affiliate. Typically, blog posts, videos, social media are some of the familiar places where the publisher tries to influence consumers in buying the product through their link. To be fully successful, the affiliate must promote products that are in line with their blogs and social media. For example, if you own a fashion blog, it would not make sense for you to advertise a laptop. Your audience interest should align with the products you are promoting. John Chow, Rai Hoffman, and Mark Ling are some of the best known global affiliates. The Indian affiliate space is still growing, so there is lot of opportunity for you. Another player is the affiliate network. It is an intermediary between the merchant and the publisher. Some merchants may run their own affiliate programs, while others use networks to bridge the gap between merchants and publishers. An affiliate network is actually more than just an intermediary. It provides benefits to both merchants as well as affiliates. Affiliate networks give merchants sophisticated ad tracking technology and an expansive database of publishers. Tools such as tracking links and payment processing are provided to the publisher. In this way, it acts as an excellent platform for mutual benefit. Some of the ways through which the affiliate network helps affiliates earn money are through cost per sale, cost per install, cost per click, and cost per acquisition. Affiliate networks are usually free to join. Some examples of affiliate networks are ClickBooth, ClickDealer, and vCommission. Affiliate networks have been around for a long time. It is a good idea to join well-established affiliate networks as it will give the affiliate more credibility in terms of products to be advertised. ClickBank, one of the popular affiliate networks in the world, has been around for 17 years and is very credible. Another player is customer. Well, everyone's a customer. You and I are customers. They are the individuals who see, analyze, and then decide whether to buy the product or not. Affiliate will try to market the product to customer on multiple channels like social media, YouTube videos, or through search engine using content marketing or through a blog. As soon as the customer clicks the affiliate link, the tracking system works in the background and the customer can follow the purchase process just as usual, and affiliate ends up being paid a commission. Customers are more likely to click if the content matches the product. A person interested in, say, tech products will follow tech blogs. Therefore, if Lenovo uses a tech blogger as an affiliate, the customers are more relevant and chances of sales are higher, and the affiliate will earn a higher commission. Now you may have a question, how will you start? There are 3 simple steps to get started. Step 1. First things first, you have to sign up for an affiliate program. If you are a beginner, then programs with vast customer base are suggested. Flipkart Affiliate, Amazon Associates, vCommission, Optimize, Big Rock Affiliate, and BGM India are some of the big affiliate programs. Step number 2. As you sign up, an affiliate link tailored explicitly for your username pertaining to a certain product is provided to you. Step number 3. We are almost done. Now you have to publicize the product digitally through various platforms. Websites and blogs are preferred. In case you are an individual, then blog post with affiliate link at the bottom would suffice to entice the reader to click on the link. You can also use social media like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. In many cases, the merchant site themselves provide with flash banner ads, click ads to facilitate the same. You need to feature them on the platform that you are comfortable with to publicize. For example, LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Blogspot are some of the familiar platforms that affiliates have been utilizing for advertising. Now the question is how to be a profitable affiliate marketer if you are beginning now. Like almost everything else in digital marketing, you need to believe in smart work and a little bit of long-term planning. Luckily for you, there is a lot of scope if you want to be an affiliate marketer in India, since there are very few bloggers who are doing it right. In my experience, there are 3 broad aspects you have to keep in mind if you want to flourish. Number 1 step is to find the most profitable industry. The attractive industries can vary with trends online. Keep yourself updated. A large audience ensures that even a minimum flow of profit is guaranteed. but experienced affiliate marketers prefer to cater to a specific audience or a niche so that chances of conversion are higher and they can dominate the space. While you provide useful content to this target audience, you are one of the few encouraging them to go to the merchant site through your link, which translates to a higher rate of conversion. So, which are the industries that you can explore for affiliate marketing? Beauty is one industry, and it's a very powerful niche. It's a very profitable segment, and it has huge potential for sustained revenues. Individuals may be wary of putting unknown beauty products on their skin. Thus, if an affiliate vouches for and gives a good review for the product, they are more likely to click on the link and purchase. Body Shop is an example of a brand that is looking for affiliates in the beauty space in India. Another important category is health and wellness. With the industry on the verge of hitting $1 trillion, it is one of the most preferred niche amongst affiliates. MedLife is an independent company that is looking for affiliates in India. There are many more that you can find. Another interesting category is expensive hobbies. Finding hobbies where people are willing to pay a lot is a lucrative niche. It could be adventure sports, travel, or sports like golf. Outdoor survival is another interesting niche. Everyone loves a good adrenaline rush. Survivallife.com, run by Ryan Days, and digitalmarketeer.com is a survivalist blog aimed to promote products for survival like mountaineering gears and many more. Step number 2 is finding a suitable industry which is matching the current trends. You have to pick a niche for your videos or the blog. So now the question is, what is a niche? A niche is a narrow targeted segment. It means the domain in which you have the prowess. It is the area in which you have the most knowledge and interest in. Area where people will trust your opinion. For example, if electronics is your industry, then smartphones can be your niche. Or if beauty is your industry, then organic beauty products may be your niche. If you believe that you have an edge over the majority of people in that industry, then you can present your recommendation with utmost clarity in such a way that even a layman visiting your blog or video can connect to what you wish to convey. Greater the connect, greater the clicks. So choose a niche where you can become the expert. Step number 3, choosing a product to promote. Now in case of smartphones, there are so many brands in the market. So you can choose based on 2 criteria. So one is choose them based on brand value and market capitalization. 2, choose them based on personal preference. In the first case, the consumer already has some opinion, so you just need to develop engaging content. In the second case, you have a phone that you are trying to promote, and the customer may or may not have an opinion about it. So the effort is to persuade the customer on your way of thinking and get them to click. Either way, you must choose a product and make relevant and enticing content around the same. We can see a YouTube channel called Tamil Talkies. It's promoting a stockbroking company by the name Alice Blue and an online game by the name Ace 2 3 Game. And if you observe the affiliate links, you can find that it is being tailor-made for Tamil Talkies. Following the above steps, you can promptly generate good traffic towards your site and make money. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and also visit profseema.com. Thank you for watching.